Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerade. So here it's given that there is a steel ball of mass zero point 0.5 kgs. So mass of the steel ball M1 equal to zero point 0.5 kgs. That is fastened to a cord that is 7 centimeters long. So L is 70 centimeters, 70 centimeters, which is zero point 0.7 meters, and is fixed at the far end, right? The ball is then released when the cord is horizontal. At the bottom of its path, the ball strikes a 2.5 kg steel block. So empty, it's a 2.5 kg steel block. Initially at rest on a frictionless surface, the collision is elastic. So A, you have to draw a momentum diagram, right? Rather a momentum bar diagram of the situation. Now for that, what you need to do is you need to calculate the momentas at different interval of time.